Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I finally got it, the BoxyLuxe from BoxyCharm. This box is really hefty. The BoxyLuxe comes out every 3 months. BoxyCharm is once a month. The BoxyCharm is $21 a month, depending on which plan you get. You can pay for a year and get it for a little bit less if you wanted to. And then BoxyLuxe, every 3 months, you can add on another like $27.99, I think it is. I'll put all the information down below, and you get this huge box worth a lot more money. So I'm really excited to dig in. I know that not everybody got the same thing. So I do know that there are some variations in these boxes. I did see a couple of spoilers, but I don't really know what is in this. So I'm really excited to dig in. Let's do it. So first thing we have here is the pamphlet, and this is a 4 with a heart on it in case anybody wants to know. This has all of the information about what is in the box. I'm not really gonna look at it, but the theme is "'Tis the Season." All right, so let's start digging in. What's first? Let's go with this first. It says it's a girl's word. Oh, okay. It is a ceramic mini styling tool. Let's open this up and take a quick look at it. Comes in a little felt case. And look how cute this is. This is a little flat iron, and it is a ceramic flat iron, so that is nice. I don't know if I have any use for this, so I will put it in a giveaway for somebody. Stay tuned for that. I am putting together a lot of things for a really fun giveaway for the beginning of the year, and I'm super excited. So this will be one of those items that will go into that giveaway. And this has a retail value of $75. So it must be really good. Although my flat iron that I have, it's kind of expensive, but it's so worth it. So, I mean, this could be worth it as well. This must be what smells so nice. Okay, this is the Spongele Blossom Bliss. This actually, I've had these before. They're really nice. It is a sponge infused with body wash. It smells really nice. That is super nice. The last one that I had was really strong smelling. So I do like this one. It's a little bit more delicate. It's very floral, and it's multi-use. So that is very nice. It will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. This multi-use buffer is dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts of yuzu, elderweis, and vetiver. I've never heard of any of those. I've heard of elderweis, but that's it. Next thing we have this box. I'm really excited about this. I love brushes. I've got like a million brushes in mugs everywhere. There's more at my sink waiting to be washed. There's more that I just used on my desk. I mean, I've got them everywhere. So now I have more. And I will definitely use these. This is the Luxe Complete Face Set. It comes with a round top blender, tapered highlighting, pro precision, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. In my opinion, you can never have too many brushes, especially Luxe brushes. Luxe brushes are like seriously one of the best. I have had so many different types of brushes, and the Luxe ones seem to hold up the longest. I have had them the longest, and they are just, I mean, they've stood the test of time. They're really nice, really nice. So next we have, what is this? This is a Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. Very nice. This is in the shade Insta Famous. Ooh, that is really pretty. It kind of has a little bit of a gold iridescent little sheen to it. That is really pretty. I just put a little bit on the center of my lip, and it's bringing out a lot of pink shimmers into it. So that is really pretty. All right, so what is next? I have a few more things in here. There's actually kind of a lot left in here. Grand Mascara. This is the lash boosting formula. It's weird that it's not sealed, but okay. I have used Grand products before. I just used one this morning. I used one of the lip products this morning. That is very cool. I'm just a little weirded out that it just came loose and it's not sealed. I'm a little weirded out about that. So I don't know if I'm going to use it. I'm going to put it aside right now. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's a British brand. So this is Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I have not heard of this brand before, but this has an MSRP of $89. So it must be super good. I'm going to open it up and see how big it is. Oh, it's pretty good size. But is it full? That I don't know. It's very full. There we go. You see that? It smells lovely. So it definitely feels really nice on the skin. It really sunk into my arm really quickly. And it smells really nice. So maybe it'll make me look younger. Maybe. Who knows? Next we have this. It says Glam AF. I don't know if I am Glam AF, but you know what? I try to be. This is a wristlet plus a portable charger. That's really fun. That is actually really cute. That is really cute. And here's the charger. It comes with a cord for it's probably not a lightning cord. It's probably for an Android. Yes, it is for an Android. But you can put any kind of cord in here. It doesn't feel like super quality. I mean, I have one from a brand called Nomad that is like heavy and holds like 1,000,000 charges. So this definitely, it doesn't feel like it's worth much. I mean, to be honest, I don't know if any of you have ever been to like conferences or conventions or anything where they give you like grab bags. Feels like something that comes from that. Sorry, Crimes of Beauty. That's just the way it feels. But I do like this little wristlet here. It's got extra pocket inside so you can kind of separate your stuff. And it's a pretty good size. Next, we have a palette. This is from Wander Beauty. Wanderous Dusk Till Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. I can never have too many of these. It has 3 shades: City Lights, Havana Nights, and Tuscan Sunrise. Tuscan Sunrise. I'm guessing that's what it says. It looks like it's a little cut off here. And here are the colors. Very pretty. I like Wander Beauty for skincare. I've never used, I don't think I've ever used anything as far as cosmetics go. So let's go ahead and swatch these real quick. So I've got them on my fingers. They feel very powdery. But they are very pretty. All of them have a shimmer to it. So these blushes are definitely not matte. They definitely have a shimmer to it. But with blush, I don't mind. I like it actually. I have one more item. It's the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. And this is one that I think everybody got and I can't open. Well, it's sealed, so I mean, that's a plus. Oh my God, I cannot get it out of this outer box though. Why can I not get you out? Why? There we go. Okay, so it's got an inner cardboard box as well, just to keep it very well protected. I always appreciate that. I still can't get it out. What in the world? What is going on here? Oh, finally. Wow. This was really, really tightly packed in there. Okay, so we've got the Violet Voss Pro palette here. It has kind of a iridescent hollow front, but it's also a kind of ombre from dark to light. Let's open it up. I haven't seen this palette. Oh. So we've got 20 different shades here. They all tell a really nice color story. It's all like peachy pinks and plums. I'm really, really digging Wine and Dine right here. Let's swatch this real quick. It feels really good. Looks really good. That is bright Oh my goodness, that is really cool. The pigment is real. Let's try toffee as well. This is a shimmer. Shimmer feels like butter. And that went on beautifully. Absolutely beautifully. Let's go ahead and try one more. What should we try? Let's try this one. This one here is Cranberry Splash, and it is another shimmer. And there's that pigment. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a 3 looks 1 palette with this in another video that I will link, but it's not done yet, so you're gonna have to wait for that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see that. That is really, really, really beautiful. I'm very, very excited with this. Hashtag, I like that one too. That's really pretty too. So I will put the total value of all of this up on the screen somewhere, probably right here, somewhere. And you can kind of decide whether it's worth it or not. So there is BoxyLuxe for December. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep on my channel for the 3 looks with this Violet Voss Pro palette, because I will be putting that up shortly, probably within a week. And so you'll be able to see some different looks with the shades that are in here. So I'm excited about that. Stay tuned for that. Thanks again for joining me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you know every single time I upload. And make sure you like this video if you do like it. If you want BoxyLuxe, there'll be some information down in the description below. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. We will see you again soon. Bye.